friends, welcome back to Entrepreneurs Hubs, all about making money. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 easy ways to make money on Instagram without having much followers. So the 4 main ways to make money on Instagram without having much followers are affiliate marketing, selling hashtag sets, selling content for other pages, or selling your own products. Let's move into more details of each one of these. So the first one is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you need to market other people's product and you will be getting a commission on each sale made through your affiliate link. Let's see which platform we can use to make affiliate earn. First one is Amazon affiliate program. Let's see which platform we can use to make affiliate earning. First one is Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program. As most of the people might be familiar with Amazon and they know that Amazon sells everything and there are some same products listed multiple times with different prices. So you can choose the cheaper one with good rating and earn good commission from the sales. Only limitation in working with Amazon Associate or Affiliate Program is that it is not worldwide. Next one is ClickBank. ClickBank sells digital products in various categories and it also offers affiliate program. You can promote other people's products and get a commission from each sale. A lot of people are making money from this program. Like Amazon, only limitation in ClickBank is that it is also not available worldwide. Next one is Digistore. This is one of the most famous platform for affiliate earning nowadays, and the main advantage of Digistore 24 is that it is worldwide and their commission percentage is also very high. As you can see that I have highlighted the high commission rate in the screenshot too. I have explained some of the most famous affiliate programs to you, but there are a lot more affiliate programs like Share a Sale, eBay Partner, Shopify Affiliate, Bluehost Affiliate, Max Bounty Affiliate Program, and many more. The next way to make money from Instagram without having less followers is selling hashtag sets. Hashtags are the best way to increase organic reach of the post in Instagram, and you can reach up to 100 times or more of your followers with the help of right hashtag. Here are some of the results from my page with having followers less than 100. This post has reached more than 4.3k people with just hashtags on an account with less than 100 followers, and 97% of the total audience is not following our page. Same is the scenario with this post. This post also reached more than 4.7k people just with hashtags, and 94% of the total audience was not following the page. So the main purpose to show these stats is to show how powerful hashtags are in Instagram. Creating hashtags is an art, but it is not that much difficult, and you can learn this easily and start making money from this if you learn the right strategy. If you want me to make a video on how to create hashtags, like this video and put a comment below saying hashtag set and I will make one for you. Third easy way to make money from Instagram is making content for other pages and charging them for the content. As most people start Instagram business as a side hustle and they don't get much time to make content because of their daily busy routine, so they outsource their content development. And I want to let you know that making code based content is very easy to make and just take 5 to 10 minutes to make one post, and you don't need high level Photoshop skills to do this. This is very simple to create, and I will also teach you about this in the upcoming videos. So you can make content for this kind of pages on Instagram and can make really good amount of money. Fourth method to make money on Instagram with less followers is selling your own products. To do this, you just need to turn your real followers into true fans by providing them valuable content, and they will surely be buying your product. You can use ClickFunnels to promote your products to thousands of people and can make money from them. Here I want to share a story of a young entrepreneur who made $1 million in sales from Instagram within just 45 days at the age of 18. Yes, this is the story of Nicholas Pate. He is now living in Dubai, watching his becoming free dream coming true, and these are some of the screenshots from his Instagram profile as a proof of how much he is making money on daily basis. After making tons of money just from Instagram, now he is giving this back to the community. He has launched a platform named Instagram University 3.0 where he is teaching people the tips and tricks he used to make money on Instagram. I have also added the link to the Instagram University 3.0 in the description. Okay people, we are done with the today's topic, and in the end I want to remind you that we are also holding a milestone based giveaway on YouTube. So I would suggest you to go ahead and participate in the giveaway. You might win some serious cash. In the end, I just want you to like this video, And if you have come up to this point of the video, so I'm sure you really like the video. So please press the like button and comment below with Instagram money, and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future video. And do share with others too. Thanks for watching. We will see you again with some valuable content. Thank you.